Hey everyone, Lamia here. What if I told you the scariest, most fearful moments in crypto are actually where the biggest fortune are made? Because if you've been feeling stuck, uncertain, or completely sidelined in this market, you're absolutely not alone. And what if I told you the truth about altcoin season is the exact opposite of what everyone else is screaming? The past few months, honestly, yes, they've been phenomenal for Bitcoin. We saw it break an all-time high, then another one, but alts, a small bounce here and there, then right back to, well, nothing. And now even the big names, the YouTubers, are screaming, Altseason is cancelled, alts are done, it's Bitcoin only bull run. But what are they really talking about? It's the lack of euphoria, that explosive retail energy we saw in previous cycles. And sure, we don't have that yet, but that absolutely does not mean altcoins are finished. It just means the crowd isn't caught on yet. Yes, this cycle feels different. It is different. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why altcoin season isn't cancelled. I'll break down the crucial signs most people are missing and how just the right spark retail momentum, a strong narrative, and a bit of liquidity can flip the entire market in an instant. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to look for, where the next wave could come from, and how to position yourself before it starts. Let's hit it. You know what's crazy? Everyone's calling altcoin season dead, right? Meanwhile, Solana did a 29x from $10 in the bear market to a new all-time high. Its market cap hit an insane $125 billion, blowing past its 2021 top. Active addresses, over 5 million. DeFi TVL, back to $9.3 billion. Stablecoin supply just hit $12 billion. With half of that added this year alone, it has 4 times more daily transactions than Ethereum, and all layer 2s combined. That's not death, that's evolution. And it's definitely harder to stand out. There are millions of tokens now, more noise, more distractions, more people saying it's over. Even major channels are saying institutions won't touch altcoins. They will only buy ETH or SOL. But here's what they're missing. We don't need institutions to ignite an altcoin bull run. We never did. Every altcoin season in crypto history was led by retail, not suits, degen, builders, regular people chasing big upside. And what does retail need? Just 2 things: strong narrative and liquidity. That's it. It could be AI agents. It could be meme coins. It could be something totally new. And if the Fed turned the money printer back on, which could happen fast, that capital will find its way into risk assets, into altcoins, into the next trend. Let's be brutally honest about the current reality. Yes, altcoins are down significantly. Many are sitting at over 90% below their all-time highs. Headlines scream doom and gloom, painting a picture of an industry on its last leg. The sentiment is terrifying. Most people are operating from a place of pure fear, selling at massive losses, convinced the party is truly over. But this cycle is different, radically different. Now it's more difficult to make the same parabolic gains as before. And here's why. For the first time ever, we broke Bitcoin all-time high before the halving. This was an unprecedented event, largely driven by the massive inflows from institutions, specifically through the new spot Bitcoin ETFs. This big money fundamentally altered the typical cycle dynamics. And unlike previous cycles, where we had hundreds or few thousands crypto, today there are millions of crypto assets. This means liquidity is incredibly spread thin. Does this mean the bull market is cancelled? Absolutely not. The underlying technological advancement, the institutional adoption, the global shift towards decentralization, these factors are undeniable. But here's the honest truth, and frankly, no one knows, a new narrative could change the whole game. Think back to 2017, the launch of Ethereum and those explosion of ICOs triggered a wave of new altcoins projects, transforming how capital was raised and expanding the boundaries of what blockchain could do. It marked the first true altcoin season, driven by innovation and speculation. Fast forward to 2021, a very different catalyst took hold. This time it was institutional money entering the space. The explosion of NFTs following Beeple's 69 million sale and Facebook rebranding to Meta, fueling the metaverse narrative. Alongside that came a second DeFi wave of a viral meme coin like Doge or Shiba, pushing mainstream attention to new highs. So what will define this cycle? Decentralized AI, real-world asset tokenization, depends. No one has a crystal ball to pinpoint what will start or trigger this one. What's clear is this: not all assets will pump, many will fade, but one thing is for sure, we will have an altcoin season at some point sooner or later. Of course, as we always advise, your portfolio should be in Bitcoin in the majority, with a small portion in mid-cap altcoin and only even a smaller percentage in low-cap assets. This is about managing risk and reward. And remember, we will likely see an altcoin season once Bitcoin dominance begin to drop and the total 3 market cap, which represents the overall market cap of all cryptocurrencies excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, start to climb significantly. That's when capital truly rotates into broader altcoin market. So what's this video really about? It's about one big question: will there be an altcoin season or not? If you've been wondering that too, hit that like button. Let's keep going. Here's what I'm seeing and why I'm so confident. Solana is outperforming. New ETF proposals are in motion. DeFi is waking up again. On-chain activity is increasing and stablecoin supply is rising fast. Bitcoin was the first dominoes. The rest of the market is just lining up. The market rewards the patient, the believer, but you need to be strategic as well. First, patience and unwavering belief. The market rewards those who understand its long game and have conviction in the underlying tech. Second, strategic research. This is paramount. Have your research ready to enter if opportunity presents. You can no longer throw darts blindfolded. Dive deep into project fundamentals. Look for truly innovative narratives. And finally, sell once you are on profit. This is non-negotiable. Don't fall in love with your bags. Set clear profit targets and execute. The market is volatile and gains, especially in this diluted landscape, can vanish as quickly as they appear. Secure your wins. This cycle is different. It's more complex. It's more demanding, but it also promises to be incredibly rewarding for those who play by its new rules. To everything there is a season. Altcoin season isn't cancelled. It's just loading, and when it hits, it won't give you time to think. So get clear now, position smart, and don't let the silence fool you. If this gave you clarity, if it shifted your thinking, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. What are your thoughts on this period of the market? Are you buying, holding, or feeling the fear? Let me know in the comment below. I read every single one. And see you in the next one.